I'm already 11 years in Cambodia, and I'm general manager of DP Cloud, or Phnom Penh Cloud. Is the only one real cloud services provider based in Cambodia with our own data center in Cambodia. So nowadays a lot of everyone talks about AI, about applications, startups, all the things, services, systems, and now much less talk about infrastructure. All these systems, applications, startup, AI, they need to run somewhere, yes? So infrastructure is still there. It doesn't matter if it's AI or something, you need to have robust and good infrastructure to run your apps. So that's why today I will share how you, an enterprise in Cambodia and startup in Cambodia, can utilize our DP cloud services to run robust scalable infrastructure, and also that infrastructure helps to withstand cyber attacks as well. Yeah, just starting from a short story, in year 2023, one Cambodian e-commerce platform launched a big sale event, and then in just 15 minutes their website collapsed, and then it showed error. This one, error 502, for the next 8 hours. So, and it was not DDoS or cyber attack. It just was very successful project, yes, but 8 hours downtime, and then they lost customers, they lost their face for their project, and customers never returned. So we developers often focus mostly on code, because developers, but it's infrastructure that decide your code will run smoothly under the load, or your project will die, yes? So that's why today I will share about the infrastructure part. Yes, and today developers, they're facing like invisible enemies, like unpredictable traffic spikes, DDoS attacks, and some hackers and so on. Then data latency, vendor lock-in, and Cambodia economy is growing very fast. A lot of AI startup, some delivery apps, e-commerce, educational platforms. There are a lot nowadays. Even on this event, I saw many projects. Some of them new for me, but they already like 2-3 years exist here. But most of these projects is really now hosting data abroad. Even governments hosting data and their laws abroad. That means that slower access, higher latency, and maybe issues with compliance later, as government preparing soon the regulation to that all the customer data must be stored inside Cambodia. When the developer developing their app, in the beginning it's okay to host data somewhere outside overseas. But then when your app becomes successful, e-commerce or something, when it becomes already successful, and then many users coming to your website, or many users using your website, then latency become an issue. Latency become an issue, slow loading, lower data response, pictures or videos loading slower, and even failures during checkout when user want to buy something from your website. Another surprise waits the developers and project owners when they host abroad is higher cost. When you do in development, you can deploy one for free abroad, yes, run during development phase. But when you go in live, customers, users start using your app, then you can get shocked bills like Amazon or Google, Amazon AWS or Google DigitalOcean. At the end, you will see how much monthly charges will grow, because they charge for traffic, they charge for hours of compute time. And another disappointment waits developers and project owners when they want to contact support of those foreign providers. You will be talking to AI bots when you really need to resolve something. You apply to support from them, but you will be faced without live person. You'll talk to AI bots, or you will be redirected to FAQ pages, frequently asked questions, and you will go by circle like this with almost no chance to contact a live person nowadays. Yes. So DP Cloud bridges these gaps and many others by hosting infrastructure inside Cambodia. Number one, the latency is very low. It means the connection speed between your users, your backend, your website to data center is back very fast. Because our data center is in Cambodia, yes, and your users also in Cambodia, your project in Cambodia. Number two is we are cheaper than foreign cloud providers, and we don't have any hidden charges. We not charge for traffic, for example, and what we show, like price, for example, $7.78 per month for the server, it will be forever like this, unless you expand the resources of your server. And number three, our local support is also based here in Cambodia. All our support guys and engineers, they talk Khmer language and English language, so no issues. You will be directly talk to live person. So to empower the Cambodian developers with proper infrastructure, we built this stack. Number one is a compute instance or cloud servers or virtual private servers, this one. So it is based physically in our data center in Phnom Penh. Our data center is on the way to new airport. And number two, we have very strong anti-DDoS premium protection that will protect your application, your server from any DDoS attack. Just before this session, it was GM of General Manager of Today ISP doing his speech, and he shared a lot about DDoS and how it works and so on and why it's dangerous. So we have this service in our data center. Number three, we have S3 compatible storage. So don't need anymore to store your files, videos, application data outside the country somewhere in Amazon AWS or DigitalOcean S3. Our S3 storage, we call it S3 Vault, is fully compatible. So you can migrate from Amazon or DigitalOcean to us in Cambodia seamlessly. It's just changing very few lines, just credentials. So, and then by moving to our S3 storage, upload, download also will be faster. And we also not charge for data traffic. So our smart infrastructure, what does it mean? The first is your server, your application will be protected by anti-DDoS premium. Then traffic will be cleaned. Only good traffic will come to your VPS host at DP Cloud. Everything on DP Cloud. Then from server will access your S3 storage for user data or some content or something, yes. And then users happy because everything works fast, smooth. Even if your project already grow, your competitors or some hackers or someone want to do a very huge DDoS attack, like even 1 terabit DDoS attack from internet involving botnet in US, in Australia, in Europe, in Middle East, even 1 terabit attack will be protected because of our anti-DDoS premium. Yeah, now will be a short demonstration about how it really works. I will, let's say I want to run my website, e-commerce or something, but I don't have any infrastructure now. I don't have nothing. I'm not subscriber to Amazon AWS or DigitalOcean, and I want to run it using only DP Cloud in Cambodia. So I will, number one, I will buy a server from DP Cloud from us. I will pay with QR code. Then I will run a very simple website, and I will connect this website to our own S3 storage. This demonstration will be like 15 minutes. It's actually okay, let's see if it is really possible in about 15 minutes to have full infrastructure and run already your website up and running and also connecting S3 storage. Okay, what first thing I will do, I hope you can see, I will go to our website, dpdatacenter.com, it's our website. Yeah, here is all the services listed, everything, and I need to sign in or register. Yes, it's a quite standard sign in page. If I'm new, yes, new user, I need to sign up. But I already prepared an account here, so I will just log in. Okay. Okay, now I log into my account. It's the real account at our self-service portal. And I have already, it's look like this, it's quite simple. The self-service portal is much simpler than in Amazon or Microsoft. They are very complicated, a lot of settings. Sometimes you need to ask AI how to find certain settings. Yes? So here I already have web hosting, here I already have 2 VPS servers, yes, but what I want to do, I want to show you like from scratch. So what first thing I need to buy a virtual server, yes, cloud server. So I'm going to, I choose this smallest package, the smallest service, one with CPU only. And I want Ubuntu 24, I will buy only for 1 month. There are 2 options, anti-DDoS standard, which is always activated, standard protection. And we have premium protection for server. This is for production system. When you already run production application, then you can just switch on. It is $99, look like quite expensive, but actually same protection from Google or Amazon or Microsoft or DigitalOcean will cost you $150 to $250 per server. I will not buy now because I'm just deploying new application. When you deploy new application, when you develop, maybe you don't need DDoS. You need DDoS only when you go live. Okay, the total price for my small server will be $7.78 per month, including tax. Let me try to buy it. So I have to pay from my IBA account. Let's try. Oh, not so clear. So now we are on payment step. Let me try from my local screen here. Okay, I scanned this QR code. Now I'm doing payment. It will charge from my ABA 7.78. Already, payment done. Now, waiting when the server will be provisioned. Okay, I have received. I I see what I bought, can download this and again. Okay, it returned. Okay, now you can see 3 servers now, and the server that I just bought is here, this one. It is still under provisioning. Should wait 1-2 minutes, and then I will know what is the IP address. These two existing servers, you see before I bought this new one. I need to wait until it is provisioned. Okay, step number 2. Okay, now with the server already done, I have IP of this server. I copy credentials, and I will connect just to terminal. Yes, I'm connecting. Let's check. Okay, I logged in already. I'm playing with 2 screens, so yeah, this I logged already to the server that I just bought. It is Ubuntu system, yes. And I know the IP address of my server. Let's check. Is it accessible from internet and what I can see now. Okay, it's here. I know the IP. I'm just going HTTP and IP of my server. Yeah, I'm not reachable, yes. I mean, I don't have yet any website of the server, right? So normally I need to buy now a domain name like www.mydomain.com or www.mydomainname.com.kh. Need to buy it and then redirect to our server IP, but I will skip this step because for this I need to go to Namecheap or Google or somewhere to buy a domain. Yeah, so I skip. I will use it just on the IP for this demonstration. Yeah. So next things, next step, what I need to do? I need to run a web server because no web server now cannot see no site, nothing. So I will install one of the most popular web servers, which is Nginx. Yeah, but before let me. Okay. Well, where is it? Okay, here. Okay. Can you see this? Something. Yeah, because I just created server, I want to be sure that all the packages of the Ubuntu are up to date. For this, I want to update all the packages. Okay, now packages will be updated. Okay, seems fine. Next step, now we can install Nginx. Install Nginx server. By the way, Nginx is one of the most popular servers, the largest market share in the world. Nginx market share in the world is 33%. It means all the internet websites, whatever you know, 33% of them use Nginx. The second place, 25%, is Apache. Now Nginx installed, good. I want to do one more step. I want to be sure that we will not be blocked by Ubuntu firewall. So I run this command to allow. Okay, good. The next step, let me check if Nginx is here or not. Installation fine. Nginx is there. I mean, it is on the server. Now I need to start because it's not started yet. Okay, it is started. Let's check status now. Start. Okay, it is started. Fine. So now our web server. 5 minutes ago I bought. I installed Nginx web server. Let's see is anything changed on my web page with my IP address on the server. Okay, now we see something. We don't see server not available, page not available, but we see this welcome to Nginx standard page. The next step, what I can do is I need to run my website. I want, let's say I develop a website. I will kind of upload it. I will not do full process, I just will replace standard Nginx web page. This one I want to replace with my own website page. As developers know that before you do any change, you better do a backup. So I backup this standard page to another file. To backup file. Okay, have here. And now this step when I will create my website. I will create just a simple HTML page. But same way I can upload here a website. If I install Node.js or something, I can upload to. So I will just enter text of the very simple web page. If you know HTML, you will understand what is here. Okay, copy paste. So basically, it's the simplest ever possible website. Yes. Okay, let's save. No. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's check. Now I have two files. Yes. This one I just created, index.html. So now I have a web server, I have a page. Let's see something changed on here on my server from browser. Yeah, hello from CADT event. This is exactly the page which I pasted here. Yes. Okay. So now. How much? 10 minutes maybe. I bought server, I installed web server, I installed my app, it is already in internet, up and running. What I want to do also, I want to show how we can use DP Cloud S3 storage. Yes, S3 storage is cloud storage, object storage where you host, you keep your data of your users or pictures or videos. When you scroll, for example, on Facebook or somewhere, all these pictures and videos they actually stored in S3 compatible storage, let's say, or which in e-commerce when you scroll and buying some things, looking for goods to buy, all these pictures and data stored on S3 storage. Oh. Yes, S3 storage is called S3 Vault. I back to our self-service portal, right? So we have S3 Vault. I can buy S3 Vault. S3 storage plan. We have 4 standard plans, and then we can do customized plans also. I will buy this package. $8 a month, and then 100 terabytes, and what is important, unlimited traffic. Pay with IBA QR, like this, and then just I need to scan now and pay, and it will be activated, and I will see it in my self-service portal. But just to make it faster, I already have S3 storage. I already prepared it just to take the time. Yeah. This is an S3 browser. Everyone who uses S3 storage maybe knows this desktop app, Windows app that allow you to browse, upload, download, check something. So I have this S3 storage, this backbender, and I uploaded one file. It's a video file. So what I want to do now is I want my website. This is my website. Show here a video from S3 storage, also hosted in DP Cloud. Yes, I will just make a few changes of the code in the web page code. The first thing is, yeah, I have this file already uploaded. I just need to check permission that this file is accessible from internet for all users read-only. Okay, then I need to remember and copy the URL to this video file. Copied already. And I need, the next step, I need to make a few changes on my web page. Now the page looks like this. I will add a video player here. Okay, just a few lines. Okay, I added a few lines for style of video player and the video player itself. Here. And in video player I already pasted the URL to Signal Open Cloud, URL to my MP file, video file. Save. That's it. Okay, now let's check. Reload page. Okay, very good. Some Wi-Fi issues maybe. Yeah. So what I just showed in 15 minutes, from nothing, having nothing, yes, in internet, I have just idea, I want to have web page with video, that's all. What I did, I bought a VPS cloud server at DP Cloud. It is running somewhere on the way to Techo airport in our data center. Number two, I deployed website, I installed Nginx as web server and deployed a website. In our case, it's just simple HTML page. Yes, it's also in DP Cloud data center. One more thing, I added S3 storage, which I also hosted in Cambodia and data in Cambodia. And number four step, one more, it is Cambodian product. Yeah, so why it is important to remember mind about the infrastructure where you run your apps, because there are cyber attacks. Yes, for example, just 1 year ago in Europe, one bank was under heavy DDoS attack, and in 2 hours they lost their loss is about $11 million. It's a lot. One more thing, just quite recently, one Cambodian gaming live streaming was down also. The live streaming was down, so customers it was down during the final game event. Yes, so disappointed customers, users, they cannot properly see this final gaming event. Some of them never return. But if they have, should they have this bank or this or another any app, your app, proper infrastructure and proper anti-DDoS protection from us, this will never happen. What is good about cloud infrastructure? You can expand it very fast. If you see a lot of users coming, you can expand it. If you see users left, you don't want to pay more, you can shrink it. Like we have in DP Cloud, we have one mobile app which is used by many schools in Cambodia, yes? And during exam period, which was about 1 month ago, simultaneously was connected about 5,000 students, sessions. In every second, about 5,000. So this app requested us, just chat to our support, can we expand like 3 times, make servers 3 times bigger, yes? More CPU, memory. Yes, our support just activated this within 5 minutes, and they survived. After exam season finished, it was like 1 week or 2 weeks, I don't remember. Then again, this project contacted us, okay, now we want to shrink server to pay less. Yeah, about AI. Currently in our data center we don't have GPU, yes, we don't have something to run AI, but we are exploring this, and soon, maybe next year, we will also launch something that is Cambodian AI project can run also the AI loads in our data center. No need to use data center or cloud provider abroad, because when you run AI, the latency becomes very important as well. For training, it is very important because of a lot of transactions. For inference, when you get an output from AI is also very important. So, Cambodia, if your project currently not focused to US market or Singapore market or Europe market, then host locally, a lot of benefits. Cheaper, faster, no issues with government, because government preparing the law about data residency. And there is currently the one and the best, I believe, choice is only DP Cloud, as we the only one data center that is built and built by purpose for cloud services. We don't run any other businesses and services. Yes, and to support this, anyone can scan this QR code, register, and get free trial server from us. Server or S3 storage or web hosting. If you just simple form, just your name, which service you want, we will give you, especially for this event, code C outside, and for this workshop, you can scan and then register. Yeah, that's all. Any questions? Yes. Okay.
Hello, could I ask how many data centers do you have in Cambodia right now?
Oh. Yes, we have only one data center for now. It is, as I said, on Hun Sen Boulevard, Hoc Sapmita Road, on the way to Yon and New Airport. But we plan phase 2, it will be another one, which is located in province.
So what if a fire happens?
Fire cannot happen because, fire is very bad. You know, just recently, 2 weeks ago, in South Korea, was fire in government data center. I don't know if you're aware or not, but they lost 900 terabytes of data and a lot of servers that cannot restore. So something was wrong there. Our data center is tier 3 plus, the level data center tier 3 plus, so we have in place all the fire alarms, all the fire suppression. We have the most modern fire suppression system in Cambodia among of all other IT data centers, because we are the newest one. outside. Backups actually the application owner should take care. But we have backup service, yes. This microphone dying. So we have backup service, yes, as a service. Yeah, but you as a developer should not only rely also on the service provider. You should think also what will happen. It can be used like a hybrid thing, use us and in other things also beside the fact only for backup, but all the rest is on the DP cloud enough. More questions? Yes. Yeah, yes. How many? Ah. Yeah. So it is, I'm not included here, but it is, we guarantee 99.98. This is what we guarantee, yes. But we launched our operation in January 24, soon 2 years. And for 2 years, we don't have any single minute downtime. So currently from January 24 till now, in 2 years, it's 100%, 100. More? Okay. More question? Okay, 1 minute more. These are actually our services, VPS with any operation system and more than this here. Web hosting with cPanel, S3 storage I told today, anti-DDoS premium I told already. We have also managed databases from MySQL and soon will be for Postgres. Have also cloud accounting. And this is the name of some of our, not all of them, but some of our customers. Plus we have some banks, we have MFI, microfinance as well. Just some companies don't want to show their logo because of their like security or privacy, I don't know, things. But these are some of them. Okay, one more thing is why hosting in Cambodia for you particularly, not for company in Silicon Valley or in Europe. For you, here is better because it's latency, number one. How fast internet will be is number one. It will be many times faster. Compliance is fully compliant to Cambodian law. Data residence in Cambodia cost much lower cost comparing to all those cloud providers. Tax, we pay tax, and you pay tax for us. But if you pay to a foreign cloud provider, you should have to pay 14% tax on the top. Support is Khmer speaking support locally in Cambodia. And finally, the last but not least, we are, as a Cambodian company, we contribute to Cambodian economy. We make Cambodia stronger. You know, when you pay to company abroad, money fly away from Cambodia, never come back, and taxes also not paid. So as more we pay outside, as weaker Cambodia become, as more you use Cambodian product, is make Cambodia economy more stronger. And particularly for DP Cloud, it makes Cambodian digital economy stronger. Yeah.
Hello. Do you or do you plan to support AI's infrastructure as code?
AI.
No, AIC infrastructure as code like Terraform, or the tool like that.
Infrastructure as a code.
Infrastructure as code, yes.
Like for example, like what?
Terraform.
Ah. Okay, that question to my CTO. He is not here, he's somewhere outside. I cannot answer by myself, but we have a roadmap, yes. So what I showed the services we have, but we have in our roadmap more services. Like for example, the next one will be Postgres database, next one will be Kubernetes.
Terraform, like, for example, like this, what you show is for developer.
Yeah.
If I have 1 VPS, but if I have 500 VPS and I want to manage it,
Yeah.
like, so I use API.
We have these services for enterprise, it is virtual private cloud.
Okay.
So we have, and they have separate interface, more complicated. So we just provide you resources like how many, 100 vCPU, 250 gigabyte RAM and storage, and then you will have this web interface. You can play, you can create servers with any operation system, change sizing, how many servers, what is size, ring up. Yeah, we have this, but this this is for enterprise customers. Yeah, that's why I'm not mentioning it here. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Do we have any more questions?
Do you provide co-location service, like for example, I have one unit?
Okay, I understand. Yeah, yeah. About colocation service, no, we don't do colocation. We focused on cloud. There are other data centers, and if customers, potential customer, come to us and say, no, I need one rack or one unit or 3 racks, whatever, then we have one of data center. We partner. We send to that data center. Yes. Because we are built and focused only on cloud services, and we want to make it large. So it's same like Amazon AWS. You cannot place in Amazon your physical server. For this, you should go to another data center. Yes. If you drive a right moto from Phnom Penh towards Ion 3, from right side will be Minche Avenue. Yes, is a new shopping center, small one. And then if you turn on this Minche Avenue left, in 100 meters you will see our fence and barrier and our, what is it? Yeah. More question maybe. Yeah, it looks like this. Like on this picture, yeah, this is our data center.
Do we have any more questions in the room?
Okay.
Thank you for your presentation. Can I ask what are the technology that you use to build your infrastructure? What are the challenges that you encounter?
Again, what we, again, please, again, what?
What are the technology that you use to build your whole infrastructure?
Oh.
And what are the challenges that you have encountered?
Okay. So for our infrastructure, we have quite many famous vendors. It is Dell MEC, it is Fortinet, it is, we also have Huawei for some parts. Yeah, and from software side, we also use, we use actually ZStack is a competitor of VMware, but better than VMware. So there are a number of like this, yes. The challenges was maybe since we are cloud yes, provider, so very important for us was to select the right virtualization software that the whole set of software that will run all these cloud servers and so on. Yes. So in the beginning we did a very big research and tender with VMware, with from Microsoft, with KVM and something. Finally, we choose this stack. The stack is actually a Chinese company, but they already took quite a market share, and they in the Gartner quadrant, in the leaders. So finally, we decided on them. Quite happy. If we should decide about VMware, for example, then we would be paying now times more money, and will have challenges with support as well. Yeah.
So since we are out of time, we would like to conclude this workshop for now. And thank you to Mr. Sergey for providing us with this valuable information, knowledge, and insights, and your experience as well. So on behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to present you with a small gift to express our appreciation
Yeah, thank you everyone for attending this class. Oh. Okay. Yeah.